Distinguished guests, colleagues, fellow researchers, and industry professionals. It is a profound honor to address you today at the International Conference on Innovations in Data Science, ICIDS 2024 at Manipal University Jaipur. Together we stand on the new era in data science where innovation and collaboration can shape not only our field but also the future of our societies. The evolution of data science. In 2024, data science is at the pivotal crossroads of transformation in the rapid evolution of technology. The unprecedented growth in data availability gives us immense opportunities to redefine how we collect, analyze, and leverage data for actionable insights. This journey has brought us to a moment where the potential to drive strategic decision and improve organizational performance has never been more significant. However, these opportunities come with challenges that require innovative approaches, ethical consideration, and a commitment to ensuring that the benefits of data science are accessible to all. Current state and challenges. Data processing evolution. The convergence of big data and cloud technologies has fundamentally reshaped our data processing and analysis approach. Cloud-based solution now provides unparalleled flexibility, enabling organizations to scale their infrastructure to manage dynamic data loads seamlessly. These technologies also offer significant cost effectiveness by reducing the need for substantial infrastructure investments. Furthermore, they simplify handling complex analytical problems, offering effortless solutions that empower organizations to focus on deriving actionable insights rather than grappling with technological constraints. Democratization of analytics. This democratization enables organizations to extract values from data without requiring extensive technical expertise. A crucial factor in today's competitive landscapes, we are witnessing a significant shift toward democratized access to analytics driven by advancement in augmented analytics and automate machine learning, AutoML. Augmented analytics empowers users to delivering automate insights, making data analysis more intuitive and accessible. Similarly, AutoML lowers the technical barriers to entry level, enabling organizations to harness the power of machine learning without requiring deep technical expertise. This marketization that transformed the competitive landscape, allowing organizations to extract meaningful values from data efficiently and effectively, regardless of their technical proficiency. Emerging trend and innovation like augmented analytics, integrating artificial intelligence and machine learning into an analytical workflow has revolutionized data analysis, enabling unprecedented efficiency, and effectiveness. This integration automates routine data tasks, freeing valuable time and resources for more strategic activities. It also broadens access to advanced analytics capabilities, empowering users across various levels of expertise to leverage sophisticated tools. Additionally, it accelerates the gener- uh, the generation of the actionable insights, significantly enhancing decision-making processes and enabling organizations to respond more swiftly to emerging challenges and opportunities. As intelligence and computing, as computing has emerged as game changer, enabling real-time data processing closer to the source and transforming how data is utilized in various applications. Its mainstream adoption is profoundly impacting several areas. In the Internet of Things IoT application, as computing directly supports efficient data handling and analysis at the device level, enhancing responsiveness and functionality. For real-time decision-making system, it ensures swift and accurate processing, enabling organizations to act immediately on critical insights. Moreover, as computing significantly improves data privacy, it reduces latency by minimizing the need for data to travel to centralized servers, making it an indispensable technology in the modern data-driven landscape. Data-centric AI. A paradigm shift from model-centric to data-centric AI is reshaping the field, emphasizing the quality and integrity of data as the foundation for success. This approach prioritizes enhancing the quality and governance, ensuring that data sets are accurate, consistent, and reliable for training models. It also leverages synthetic data to create scalable solutions, enabling generation of diverse and representative data sets to address limitation in real-world data. Additionally, the shift improves model interpretability and transparency, fostering trust and accountability by making AI systems more understandable and explainable to users and stakeholders. The roles of artificial intelligence, tiny ML, and edge computing. The development of machine learning models on low-power devices has opened new possibilities for innovation and efficiency. By enabling efficient local data processing, this model allows computation to occur directly at the source, reducing reliance on centralized systems. This approach significantly lower energy consumption, making it a sustainable solution for various applications. Additionally, process data locally enhance privacy and minimize the need to transfer sensitive information over the network while delivering fast response times critical for time-sensitive applications such as healthcare, monitoring of autonomous systems, and IoT devices. In advancements of AutoML, automated machine learning, AutoML has revolutionized the machine learning development lifecycle, making it more efficient and inclusive by simplifying complex processes. AutoML makes ML accessible to non-experts, empowering the broader range of users to leverage advanced analytics and AI capabilities. It also significantly reduces the time and cost resources with model development, streamlining workflows, and enabling quicker deployment of solutions. Furthermore, AutoML enhances the accuracy and reliability of AI systems by automating tasks such as feature engineering and hyperparameter tuning, ensuring robust and effective outcomes across various applications. Future direction, data governance and ethics. As data science evolves, the responsibility to uphold ethical standards become increasingly critical. Data privacy and security are paramount as the growing reliance on data necessitates robust measures to protect sensitive information and maintain user trust. Preventing economic bias is equally vital, as bias model can perpetuate inequities and undermine the fairness of AI-driven decisions. Promoting transparency and accountability of AI systems is another essential consideration, as well as fostering trust and enabling stakeholders to understand and scrutinize the decision and processes behind these technologies. Together, these principles form the foundation for ethical and responsible innovation in data science. Industry integration. The seamless integration of advanced technology is essential for driving innovation and unlocking the full potential of data-driven solutions. Future advancement will revolve around the transformative capabilities of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. It's continued to redefine the industry through automation, predictive insights, and intelligent decision making. Cloud and edge computing will play pivotal roles by enabling scalable, flexible, and efficient data processing, whether in centralized platform or at edge or for real-time application. Additionally, big data analytics will remain a cornerstone, empowering organizations to extract actionable insights from vast and complex data sets, shaping strategy and fostering innovation across various domains. Workforce development. A skilled and diverse workforce is fundamental to sustainable growth and driving innovation in data science. To achieve this, we must prioritize promoting data literacy, ensuring individuals across all levels and disciplines can understand and work effectively with data. Encouraging interdisciplinary collaboration is equally vital, as combining expertise from various fields fosters creativity and the development of holistic solutions to complex challenges. Supporting continuous learning and professional development is crucial to keeping pace with rapid technological advancement and equipping the workforce with tools and knowledge needed to thrive in an ever evolving data driven landscape. In conclusion, the field of data science is evolving at an unprecedented pace, presenting us with significant challenges and immense opportunities. Our success in navigating this dynamic landscape will rely on our ability to adapt and to emerging technologies, stay at the forefront of innovation, and leverage advancement to solve pressing problems. Equally important is upholding ethical and transparent practices, ensuring that our work aligns with fairness, accountability, and trust principles. Collaboration across disciplines will be vital in addressing complex, multifaceted issues and driving impactful solutions. However, in the future, uh, data science transcends the technology we developed. It is fundamentally about creating values, safeguarding privacy, and promoting responsible innovation. Together, we hold the power to shape this future, unlocking the full potential of data science for benefit and of the individuals, organization, and society. Thank you for your attention, and let's continue with the shared commitment to innovation, collaboration, and a vision for brighter tomorrow. Thank you very much.